In this video, I'll be walking you through how to join the Forex.com affiliate program. So Forex.com is one of the most established brokers in the industry, and their affiliate program offers a solid opportunity for content creators and marketers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to apply, what you need to get approved, and how to get started. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go over to Google and search in Forex.com affiliates program, like so. Then the first link should be from Forex.com, where it'll say Forex.com partner programs. Once you click on that, you'll need to scroll down, and here you can read a little more about the affiliate program. But to actually apply, you'll need to go down to want to learn more about a partnership program. Then from here, you'll need to fill in the contact us form. Here you'll need to click are you interested in learning about, and here you'll need to click in other. What type of account are you looking for? Here you'll need to click other again, and then you'll need to enter your first name, your last name, your company name, your email address, the country of your tax residence, your phone number, and down here you'll need to write that you're interested in joining the affiliate platform and you have let's say a blog or a YouTube channel, and then you'll need to link to that specific blog or YouTube channel and showcase how many viewers you get per month and everything like that. Once you've done that, you'll need to click I am not a robot, and then you'll need to click submit. Once you click submit, Forex.com will take a look at your application, and then from here they will acknowledge whether or not that you can get into the affiliate program. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See you.